busy mom and an entrepreneur, I'm constantly doing things from my phone. And I share this with my clients often. And one of the questions that I got recently is, what is it that I'm actually spending time doing on my phone? So today I want to share my favorite apps and how I use them and why you should download them too. So there's two apps that I open first thing in the morning, and if I don't, the rest of my day reflects that. The first one is the Bible app. I love it because if you're new to reading the Bible, it has reading plans based on topics that you want to focus on. Plus, it has a verse of the day. And last year, I set a goal to read a verse each day. And the Bible app kept me accountable because it sent me reminders. So definitely check it out. The second one is 5-Minute Journal. Now this app costs, I think it's like $1.99 or $2.99, but it's definitely so worth it. With the app, it helps you to focus on gratitude. So first thing in the morning, it sends you a reminder to list 3 things that you're grateful for and something you're looking forward for the day, as well as any affirmations that you would like to say about yourself. Then in the evening, it sends you another reminder to focus on 3 things that went really well for the day. I love it because it's a great way to reflect on what I want to bring into fruition and to reflect on what happened throughout my day. If you don't have it already, it's definitely worth downloading. The next app that I absolutely adore is the Overdrive or the Libby app. So recently I shared a video about how I make time for reading. And one of the things is through audiobooks. I do a lot of audiobooks on my drives, when I'm getting ready, when I'm cooking. And the reason that this is possible is because of apps such as Overdrive and Libby. They're actually 2 different apps, but they're connected, and they're connected to your local library. So if you have a library card, you can log in with your library card, create an account, and you can download not only ebooks, but you can also download audiobooks, which is amazing because it's totally free. What's better than getting free knowledge and free books? Nothing. So definitely check that app out. The next app that I totally live for is my Notes app. Now, most phones come with the Notes app, and so you don't have to use anything outside of that. I just use the basic iPhone Notes app. But as a creative, my mind is always going. And so I have ideas that'll pop up in the middle of the grocery store or while I'm at the park with my children. And having that Notes app convenient and available allows me to be able to take notes, not only on things that I want to remind myself to do, like a to-do list, or it allows me to take notes on an idea of maybe something I want to post or a video I want to do or a client that I want to email or something I want to say. I've also started writing my affirmations in my note tab. And the reason that this is helpful for me is because no matter where I'm at, I can review my affirmations and I can add to them, I can edit them. I just love the Notes app. Definitely utilize that and make it work in your favor. The last app that I'm going to share with you is Canva. Canva is awesome because it can be for novices or it can be for professionals, but it's a great creative site that allows you to take images and make them stunning. You can turn them into slideshows, you can add writing, but it's just so exciting and it's super user friendly, and more importantly, there's a free version. If you blog, if you like to show pretty images on Instagram or other social sites, Canva is definitely something you want to check out. Now, picking my favorite apps was actually extremely challenging because I could probably tell you 5 to 10 more that are super important, but I wanted to pick the ones that I use the most. The truth is, our phone can definitely be something that distracts us, but if you put things on your phone that are going to help you, then you're less likely to be distracted. So let me ask you, when you look at your phone, are the apps on there obstacles and preventing you from being successful? Or are they apps that are setting you up for success? Comment below and let me know. And if you have any other apps that you want to share with me, let me know those as well. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. And until next time, I'll chat with you guys later.